Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you a very famous and popular Goan rice recipe, that is Goan Prawn Pulao. This prawn pulao is lightly spiced and aromatic preparation of rice and fresh prawns, and it requires very minimum ingredients which is readily available in our everyday kitchen. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. So let's jump into the recipe and make Goan Prawn Pulao. For that we need prawns. Here I am using 6 jumbo prawns or collar chingri, and I'm going to marinate it with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, then 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix everything up so that all the prawns are nicely coated with the spices. You can use any kind of prawns. You can use tiger prawns or small prawns for these recipes, or increase the amount as well. Next goes 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it, and I'm going to marinate it for 15 minutes. While it's marinating, here I'm going to prepare the rice. For that, in a pan I'm taking 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. To that I'm going to add ghee. Ghee here is optional. If you don't want to use it, skip it, but definitely it's going to enhance the taste. So here goes 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. Let it get nice and hot. Now it's hot, so add 2 bay leaves and 1 star anise. It is a star ingredient here in this pulao. Then goes 4-5 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick. Then goes 10 black peppers and 3 cardamom pods which I have opened up. Next goes 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, whole cumin seeds. Let it sputter for 15 seconds. Then I'm going to add onions. Here I'm using 1 medium sized onion which I have finely chopped, and I'm going to fry it on medium flame for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes we are back, and as you can see, they are quite translucent and lightly caramelized. Now at this stage I am going to add ginger garlic paste. Here I am using 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry them for 2 minutes over medium flame as well, so that the raw smell goes away. Next I am going to add tomatoes. Here I am using 1 large tomatoes that I have chopped. I have chopped them quite in small sizes. Don't use big chunks of tomatoes. Fry them for 5 minutes over medium flame as well. After 5 minutes we are back. Stir it one more time. Then add green chilies. Here I am using 2 green chilies which I have slitted in the middle. Fry them. Then I am going to add the rice. Here I am using basmati rice, 1 cup of basmati rice which I have thoroughly washed and soaked for 1 hour. Soaking this rice is very important so that after cooking it will become very long and fluffy. Now add the rice into the pan. Then I am going to fry the rice with the onions and tomatoes and spices till the rice are translucent or glossy. So I am going to fry it for like 7-8 minutes over medium flame. So while it's becoming translucent, here in other pan I am going to fry up the prawns. That's why I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil. When it's nice and hot, add the marinated prawns, and over high flame I am going to fry them for 2 minutes, each side 1 minute. So turn them over and fry each side for 1 minute. Don't overcook them, because if you overcook the prawns it will become rubbery. So over high flame only 2 minutes. So they are done. And our rice was frying for 7-8 minutes, and as you can see they are quite glossy and translucent. Now I'm going to add the fried prawns into them. I'm also going to add some of the oil because it contains the aroma of the prawns. Now mix it. Next, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix as well. This turmeric powder will give this pulao a very nice golden look. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of prawn stock, which I have made by boiling the heads of the prawns into water. Then 1 cup of normal water, as I'm using 1 cup of rice, so there goes 2 cups of water. Then goes salt as per your taste. Mix it, give it a nice mix. And over high flame I'm going to let it come to boil. So as it started to simmer like this, stir it once more and cover it, and over medium flame I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes, covering it. After 10 minutes we are back. As you can see, they have absorbed the prawn stock and water quite nicely. Now I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes without covering it. Don't stir it at this stage. After 5 minutes I'm going to toss the rice using a fork. Do it light-handedly so that you don't break the rice granules. You can see how long they are. So after that I'm going to let it sit for 2 minutes so that it absorbs all the aroma. After 2 minutes we are back, and I'm going to toss it one more time, and it's done. Now final touch, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves, and that's it. The Goan Prawn Pulao is ready to serve. Serve it hot with any side dishes, spicy Indian side dish, and it's just awesome. Doesn't it look delicious and yummy and mouth-watering? This golden beauty is an absolute stunner. So do make this recipe for your friends and family and let me know about the feedback they give you. And don't forget to like the video, share it and comment on the comment section below. Thank you.